People hate that. Oh yeah, Florida. So yeah, Pinellas Park.
You guys to step off state property.
Right. So
Stand here and film the building.
the guy in Pinellas Park, he was like, I don't have to tell you about my staff and all this other stuff. And yeah. Oh, dude, super ignorant, like bigot. And I was like, just tell me like your name and badge number or whatever. But he was like,
what part of town? What Florida part is that?
Gentlemen.
That's like along the
trespassing on state property.
Hold on. This is along the Gulf Coast. Along the Gulf Coast, it's beautiful out there.
I'm gonna have to ask you to step off of the property. You're trespassing on state property.
Oh,
there's public sidewalk at state property.
Look at my foot.
You want to film the building? You can feel free to step across the street.
There's public sidewalk at state property.
Sir.
What's your name and badge number? Because you're very misconfused.
This guy's crazy. What do you think you're a police officer or something? I don't get it.
He's not. But this is a public sidewalk, as you can see. See that fire hydrant right there? Did the state correction office own that fire hydrant right there? No, they don't. See these telephone poles? You don't own them either. This is a public easement. I'm allowed to be on here. Maybe on that side of the pole, possibly not. This is a public easement, so please don't tell me to get off public property.
You guys enjoy your day.
You too.
Have fun filming.
Hey, stop interrupting our conversation.
Hey, you didn't have to come over and be a clown. You could have just, minded your own business.
Alright, pause right here, because this video is a masterclass in what happens when police officers don't know the law, don't like being questioned, and absolutely hate being recorded. We're in Florida on what officers repeatedly claim is state property, but the facts tell a very different story. Sidewalks, easements, filming rights, and ego clashes, this case spirals fast. Watch closely, because everything said here comes back later in a big way.
Got it now.
We do.
But you walked over first.
Bye-bye.
What's up, fellas?
How you doing, bud?
What's going on?
Just, relaxing. Nice Saturday.
Sir.
Oh, wait, be careful.
You gotta be on that side of the street.
Well, you're going the wrong way of the road.
Yeah, you gotta be on that side.
So you own that telephone pole?
Sir,
you own this sidewalk? You own that fire hydrant? Sir. This is a public sidewalk, sir. Okay, so don't tell me to get off the public sidewalk. Sir. You leave.
Keep going.
Go away. Go away. Goodbye.
Bye.
What? Oh, pardon?
I've never seen that before.
Oh yeah, no, it's just a camera rig. Holds a nice camera.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Is that expensive or is that?
Not really.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
Pretty good.
Yeah. You doing all right though?
I'm doing good.
All right, awesome.
Is there a reason why you're filming?
Absolutely. There's always a reason why I'm filming. Is there a reason this lady's filming? Because she's making a public record right inside the window there. Okay. She's filming me. So, is there any reason for that?
Free film.
Well, I'll be going inside to get my to get a Freedom of Information Act because I want that camera film that she's got. So.
This is where things immediately fall apart for the officers. They're ordering him off what is clearly a public sidewalk, pointing to state property without understanding what a public easement actually is. Fire hydrants, utility poles, and sidewalks are textbook indicators of public access. No signage, no barriers, no lawful order. And notice how quickly the tone shifts when the cameraman calmly asks for names and badge numbers. Accountability makes people uncomfortable.
She's right there, guys. Filming me.
Is there anything we can help you out with?
Well, name and badge number, you first.
Sereno. 16906.
16906.
And Madden. MADDAN 12712.
12712.
How can we help you? What brings you here today?
I didn't ask for help though. Sorry? I didn't ask for help. I'm going to need a Freedom of Information request form.
Okay, but what brings you here? You're videotaping, so I'm just curious.
I am videotaping.
Is there anything we can help you out with?
No.
Okay.
Not until I go inside.
Okay, so, but you come here for a reason, correct?
Absolutely.
And what's the reason? Maybe we can help you out.
No, I can't get into that. Not right away.
Okay. So not right away? So who would you like to speak to then?
I can't get into it. Not right away. I'm not going to get into it.
Okay. So you're just going to videotape? Again, there's nothing illegal about videotaping.
Now, this is a key legal moment a lot of people miss. When a government employee records while performing official duties, that footage becomes a public record. That's why the cameraman mentions a Freedom of Information request. He's not guessing, he's stating the law. And ironically, while officers question why he's filming, someone inside the building is filming him, which strengthens his FOIA claim even more.
Fly a drone over the place to get some pictures.
So this is public property, so you're allowed here, but you're videotaping. You can see in the back here, there's clear signage saying police only.
I'm not going back there.
Yeah, so we don't want you in the back.
I'm not going back there. I'll fly a drone over top of the back.
Welcome to...
So I brought a drone so I can fly it over the back.
So you have a drone that you plan to use?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so I'll look into that. So do you have any idea with yourself?
Oh, I do.
Okay. And can I take a look at it?
Not a chance.
No?
Nope.
Okay. So
Am I committing any crime? You already said no.
No,
so.
you're not. You're not. So you're here right now. I'll leave you be. But like I said, you've made mention that you're planning to have a drone. Is there any reason why you're focused on our police station right now?
Absolutely.
And can you give me any reason why?
No, I can't get into it.
Okay. Okay, like I said.
But I am going to be trying to get that lady's camera footage because she's taking video of me creating a public record while she's working. Okay. Civilian or not, she's creating public record.
I don't know anything about that. But
I do.
Nonetheless, as long as
I won't go in the back.
These signs, okay?
And you know what? Right there too, it says police only beyond this point.
Yep.
I won't be going there.
Okay.
Now this here.
As long as
here's my question. This says police. That's for people coming in, right?
Yeah.
If I want to leave via this way, I can go that way.
This is for the public.
Okay, cool. I'm not coming in though.
Here's another moment where officers clearly dislike the law but can't argue it. Filming from public space. Legal. Standing on public property. Legal. Flying a drone over a public building within FAA rules. Also legal. Notice the shift. They stop alleging crimes and start asking why he's focused on the police station. And legally speaking, why is irrelevant. Rights don't require explanations.
In through there. Is it just because it's a hazard? There's a sign right there that says from that direction you can't enter.
Yeah, to just be weary that I have seen cars come through here at some time.
Oh yeah.
So don't make the assumption that there's no cars there. I don't want you getting hit, okay?
I've been around for a long, long time. I know not to get hit.
Things like this do happen. So nonetheless, I'm gonna leave you alone.
Yep.
And if there's anything you do need, you have my information.
You know what? Let's go inside. I need the Freedom of Information for this lady's camera footage. They shouldn't be filming people. I think it's very much against your guys' policy to be filming people on public property while working.
Well, you know, members of the public do that as well, right?
Yeah, but she's different.
Yeah. So, you know what I think's going on here? I think, buddy, you're here doing something bad in my town.
I'm not.
What I saw from you from that kid Michael Lacey, it looked like
I don't know no Mike Lacey. I don't know.
You said you weren't involved in the whole thing with Obey.
No, I don't. No, I never said that to you. Said.
This is where it turns from an information request into a fishing expedition. An officer flat out says he thinks the man is doing something bad in town, without evidence, without facts, without probable cause. That's not policing, that's speculation. They start bringing up unrelated names, unrelated incidents, hoping something sticks. And the man does exactly what the Constitution allows. He refuses to answer.
Guy over here, right? And I said I don't know nothing about that guy. Then you bring up Hope, and I said something about some people know. I said some people sold me a card a few days ago. That's all I was saying to you. No, I don't know nothing about over there. What you're talking about? I mean, when I pulled off from I was doing something over there, but not with that person.
What were you doing over there?
Listen, I don't have to answer questions. I am not doing nothing wrong. I promise you that. I promise you that. I am not doing nothing wrong.
You want probation?
What's that? That's profiling me. Why are you asking that? It's like I don't have to answer that question either. I don't have to answer that question. I mean, you. I don't agree to that, but you're gonna do what needs to be done. You're gonna do what needs to be done. You do what needs to be done. All right. What's up, man? How you doing? Yeah. Yeah. No, I'm straight. There's nothing in this car. I'm fine. I'm good. I promise you, I'm good. There's nothing to worry about. And you guys are doing this for no reason. So, you do what needs to be done. Again, I done nothing.
I just got here.
Yeah. Okay, I done nothing. I'm not worried about nothing. I done nothing at all.
Pay very close attention here. Officers begin escalating toward a search without consent, without probable cause, and without a clear crime. The moment a K9 is introduced, pressure skyrockets. The driver repeatedly says he does not feel safe exiting the vehicle, and that matters. You don't lose your rights because an officer feels curious. No consent means no consent, no matter how uncomfortable they make it.
You guys doing this is more like harassing me, but okay.
My K9, he's a person.
What do you mean?
He's a white dog.
Oh, so, man. Jesus Christ.
So what I do is,
so
while I do the exterior search, when I step out.
I don't want to step on my car. How am I consenting to a search? This is crazy.
I'm not searching the interior, I'm doing it outside.
But I don't want to step on my car. I don't feel safe out there.
You're safe because my dog bites.
I don't. Trust me. I'm not a dog person. I don't want to be next to your dog. I do not consent to step on my car. But I do not consent to step out my vehicle. I done nothing wrong. You guys do what needs to be done. I don't have to step out my vehicle. I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe to step out my vehicle. For what grounds is this? This is illegal. You can do what needs to be done with me in the vehicle.
I believe I saw back there. I believe I saw some sort of drug interaction.
Oh, that's and again, you're doing that based off me being black.
No.
Me being black and you seeing my background. Hold on, this is exactly what it. No. He was walking. No. He was walking. I don't know that guy. He was walking. No, I'm telling you, you're profiling me because I'm black. You're profiling me. I'm telling you, you're profiling me because I'm black.
This is the moment everything collapses for the officer. First, he claims he saw a drug transaction. Then he admits he relied on the man's background. That's profiling, plain and simple. If a crime had actually occurred, enforcement would have been immediate. Instead, we see backtracking, deflection, and justification after the fact. The driver calls it out directly, and the officer has no real answer.
You're profiling me because I'm black, and you ran my name, and you see my background, so now you're like, oh yeah, there's something, but now you're like, oh, there's something in my car. No, there's nothing. Listen, I know how this goes. I don't have to step out. I don't have to step out my vehicle. I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong. I've been compliant. I gave you everything you needed. I'm not a child. I don't feel safe stepping on my car with you guys. And he got a white dog on top of it. Yes, absolutely with yous. Look how you're treating me. You see me over here now. I'm a drug dealer. I'm a criminal. I got weapons in the car. Like, I don't care what you saw. I was doing nothing. That guy walked by me. He walked by me. I don't know him. He walked by me. He literally walked by me. If you would have seen an interaction, I promise you would have stopped it right then and there. You'd have put your lights on. You would have stopped him. You would have stopped me. You didn't see anything. You didn't see me do anything.
You turned around.
You didn't see me do anything. What you're doing is illegal. You're trying to force me out my car so you can rip my car apart. I done nothing wrong. Hey, I promise you, right? We would not be having this conversation if there was something in my car. My rap sheet says that. If you just pull my name, you'll see that. So you're wasting your time. Yeah, no, but that's not the point. I don't want to be treated like I'm a child, bro. I'm 44 years old. You're a grown man, I'm a grown man. But I don't have to step on the car because you think you've seen something.
You were just arrested recently for a B&E.
No, I don't, no. That was bank robbery and I had nothing to do with that. I haven't been convicted of anything. You're using what you see to try to search my car. You are. You're being racist. You just said it. You said, oh, I believe that I seen you doing something and you seen nothing. And then you ran my name because I'm black. You are. You're profiling me because I'm black, bro. You're not.
Let's wrap this up. No drugs found, no weapons, no charges, just a long chain of unlawful orders, baseless suspicion, and escalating intimidation. This encounter highlights why knowing your rights matters, public sidewalks are public, filming is legal, and silence is protected. When officers overstep, documentation is your strongest defense.
You just said, you just said it. You just said, I thought I seen you doing something. I have reason to believe that you, no, you didn't. Because if you would have seen the transaction, you would have fucking stopped right there. You're a grown man, bro. You're a cop. You enforce the law right then and there. Oh, you're profiling me because I'm black. Just be a man and admit that. Be a man and admit that. Please be a man and admit that. But I'm telling you, if there was something in this car, I wouldn't be here right now talking to you, bro. I promise you that. You're profiling me, and then the fact that you ran my ID and you seen it, you're bringing up charges that I haven't even been charged with. Is that not profiling? It is profiling because you just said it. You said you've been recently charged with a B&E. Look, I'm not trying to make nothing hard for you, man. I'm really not, man.
Goodbye.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
That other thing with that girl is going to be all set, right?
Nah, I'm not.
You didn't steal from her?
No.
But she's coming in later.
I promise you I didn't steal nothing from that lady,
You want a
bro.
problem?
Because I'm not that guy.